Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Ferdian Putra Pratama and my team Feli and Rian Rahman. Good afternoon. I am aware you all have very thick schedules, so I appreciate you taking the time to come here today. As you probably know, my name is Reza Ferdian Putra Pratama, also known as Reza. I am a student of BSI. I am majoring in System Information. What I did like to present to today is about our topic, which is keyboard and mouse. This topic is about the use of keyboard and mouse. Will also explain the function of very part in the hardware. So now we will start by what are keyboard and mouse. Three main point. One, what are keyboard and mouse? Two, two, keyboard and mouse hardware or software and input or output. Three, keyboard and mouse function. One, keyboard. The keyboard is the piece of computer used to input text, character, and other comments into a computer or similar device. There are different types of keyboard such as keyboard QWERTY, numeric, and mechanical. One, keyboard QWERTY. Keyboard is the standard typed and computer keyboard input that uses a Latin-based alphabet. Two, keyboard numeric is a set of keys on a computer device that allows an enter numbers quickly and easily. Three, keyboard mechanics a physical keyboard that uses an individual spring and which for each key that can be also customized. Thank you.
Slide 4. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rian Rahmansyah. I'm part of group 1. I want to explain about mouse. So here we go. Explaining about mouse, same as keyboard. The mouse is part of personal computer or we call PC. A pointing device used to enter data and command into a computer other than a keyboard. This motion is typically translated into the motion of the pointer called cursor on display, which allow a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. An example of type mouse, there are three types of typical mouse. The first one is USB mouse. USB mouse is in uh, my left. My left. The second is wireless mouse in the middle, and the third mouse is a mechanical mouse in the my right. Uh, and then keyboard and mouse are hardware or a software. Uh, if we talk about keyboard or mouse, software or hardware, uh, we talk about device. Definitely discussing hardware and software. In the modern era, tools such as keyboard and mouse can be in the form of software and hardware. For the example, the keyboard and mouse on the computer can be used hardware or software in the digital. Meanwhile, when we use a touch screen or digital screen, then the keyboard and mouse can be in the form of software. On the smartphone and the tablet screen, as well as on touch screen on the laptops. Depends on what we apply it to when when we work it to, of course. And then next, nice. This in the slide 6, the example of a mouse and keyboard in software form. This is the smartphone, and this is, and the and in my right keyboard. I'm sorry. In my right is this apa display keyboard, uh, uh, like a panel keyboard or smart keyboard. On the smartphone, tablet or laptop screen that use a touch screen, you can use a mouse and keyboard in the software form. Same as smartphone, mouse and keyboard in the form of software. And then next, function of keyboard. Talk about function. The function of combining buttons on the keyboard in working on the operating system, I'm sorry, is to use shortcuts or enter formula or run the feature like control plus G is for undo. Undo called like undo, move to backward, something like that. And control plus C itu it's called like for copy, and control plus P is for paste. Like put some water in the glass, but in the same glass, the volume of water is the same. Something like that, maybe. And then next, function of mouse. The function on mouse may be different from the keyboard, which can be run by pressing certain key. Like I said, Control Z, Control C, Control Z plus Control plus D, Control plus C, Control plus V, like it. That's for keyboard function. But for the mouse, like scroll wheel, right click button, left click button, or which each have their own feature and function. The mouse have the specifically function of the button. Okay, that's for me. Thanks for your attention, everyone. And then I give the rest of presentation to Valerie Alexia Utama. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Valerie Alexia Utama, and I will be explaining the conclusion of my presentation. That includes keyboard and mouse are very useful in computer as a hardware and as tool for operating the computer. Without the keyboard and mouse, the computer won't be able to operate well. So for the question, will keyboard and mouse still be used in the future? The answer is yes. Why? Keyboard and mouse will still be used, but mostly in office or a company that requires computer to work. As the technology of our world keep evolving, and in the future, we will see an example of a virtual keyboard and mouse like in the movies, where everyone uses a holographic keyboard and touchscreen computer. Does anyone have any more questions? If not, then our presentation is finished today. Thank you very much for your time to listen about my group presentation. If there is some grammar errors, I hope you forgive us. Goodbye, and I hope you all have a great day.